smoke weed. I'm far. Let me bust down. What's that? I wish more of it. You know the things that turf president, everybody want to say. I'm not big of a self for the earth strong. But until I get to birthday, sing nobody can't cheer with. Boy, far. Boy, stop. And I'm afraid nobody that's why you can't defend yourself to the jokes enough. Don't think that's enough. Full drip on the street when they run down. Twist out the use gun burn down. Oh, your heart could have yelled when we run down. This is a run down. Rise to treat them. Truly blind them, they do something. Attack them with the protest the boat. Chop off them and chop off them and pop them back up. Don't shot. I tell ya. You want to see you touch them but in a black work. When I take it to the street like a clockwork. Push me on the back, they got a sudden back work. Back up. That don't stop work. I'm busting. Don't feel no man singing out. You don't need to do size speaking out. You start with the rest by the tip in our heart. And they good. And broken loose again. They green rise. I'm not telling this. Alright then. In a bad man place. Who's kept it in a place in a gangster's place? We've got on the world and trying to still a place in a bad man place. You see to the end of the trophy, now we're in a bad man place. No time for chase, in a bad man place, for you didn't get a risk. In a quarrel, in a war, in a risk. I'm feel a fight to the best of the mountain. Yeah man, now we are spice it. Now we see who are going and we see who are fighting. You know the thing said, respect Jamaica. All who love Jamaica, respect your culture, respect your homeland. Big up our tourists who is here right now enjoying the place. Attack! We love Jamaica, I'm in Barcelona. Can't clip when we always fly up. But every day I hear they're abroad. Nigga, we are represent Jamaica. Under the trees, with a glass of lemonade. Jumping on the river when we're ready for me. No boy can buy way out. We're not forward minded. Everybody we have song representing this. And Jamaica love. Love. Now I know represent the people of Jamaica. Hey, nigga, number big up India. And Jamaica love. You wanna feel Jamaica love. Yes. Now I know represent the people of Jamaica. And Jamaica love. Represent to your heart. True love, baby, Jane and Star. From the crime with jump, we never know about tax man, still a hustle out of a one. Young man of the lip to the lip, we can in Canada, American in Canada. Make sure say, when they are from and hustle, Mama visit Western Union. Come on, we love the foundation. All the man, so we have a mission. Now that's what I do, the man is to speak with the same guns and armies. And I'm a straight up show me the hand. Represent the green bush, what is that? Mr. Everybody love Jamaica, show everything again. And Jamaica, remember this nigga. Them a fighting, now we so hard one. When I say it's the bird, I am Mr. Tees on the fucking place. When they call you the tees on the fucking birds. Love you to have the breeze when they have the birds. Picture this and try to see it with your fucking ears. Tees on the fucking line. And the sleepers into all the nights. Some of God, my Jesus, I ain't gonna make the crimes. Nothing in heaven can still read between the lines. The clothes are the flipping dudes. Then, them are your friend, I want your flipping food. Then, when the shoot this, let them sing about it. So Mr. These are the fucking days when you can't trust police with their dirty ways. Juvenile on the streets with the fucking days. You can't trust police in a fucking way. Attack! Yo, bullet. Welcome my way. Ladies! Yeah! Represent baby! Girlfriend, baby! Everybody wanna know this thing. I wanna give you some. run on the night shift. Oh, baby, come on, hold me tight. On the cheese, on the night shift, you'll be a me. So when the man want love in the night, yeah, she feel man over that them bedroom night, yeah. She crawls up in the arms like a spider. But if you take a difficult what she inside, then me introduce her to the bunny energizer. Love her in a one that she get cause me no wiser. Start sing a phrase like the phantom synthesizer. I got the man in the grill area. Me give her some. Yes girl, the flowers in the garden. Pretty baby. Let me say you. No one but you. Baby girl, say you're so good right now. Right now. You need no mistake from me heart. Baby girl, me and you would never part. Can you say you come back soon? Every time you come to me. Oh, baby, you know games me a play. I would never stray. Let me say you come back soon. If the sun it does a rock. You believe in love, the great. And I believe that love will never fail. And it's a feeling deep within. And if you believe in love, free up your mind. Let this go within. As early as the morning starts, I'm giving thanks for this lovely thing. Girl will never beat for me heart, Pray that you would have never part. God, I want a girl that hold me. Hold me so tight, get me. Representing the ladies from all over. Good night, ladies. It represents, yes, Thomas, need you tonight. Okay, pull up. Yo, don't fuck with me. Let me sound it for you. Don't fuck with us. Yeah, man. Represent. Respect to the officers that man know, sir. Better people have a boss, sir. Respect to the ladies. Baby, can't you come over? I know you've been mistaken over. Need you tonight, yeah, me lover. I'll be a partner, me lover. Make we rock till the long shit on over. Rock my chest, rest your head on my shoulder. I make we listen some candy Jamaica. I make love in a Jamaica area. The girls here all I need. And I'm missing you, miss your face. Who's this? Now watch you. Now watch you. Now watch you. Straight up. Free up, yeah. We say what this to be, must be. Nigga, that's all you want this. This ain't the ground, go watch. Like a show, we'll see it again. Would I never see me kind of friend to be again? I see me and who I can't stop the world. First, it's up in the house, number one. Level the crazy nigga. Because that's good. Level the crazy nigga. Yeah, what going on? Nigga. Fresh from prison over there. Try to me give thanks, me have to chant a word of prayer. Fresh from jail over there. Ready for my shop work because cut off early. No more half a toothbrush nor chick. No can't go to the bed with prison food nor drink. Me no like no carbonic, but man no take no water. Lick what tiny water mix with underwater pencil jar. Pour my like no dollar fin nor no shark on it. You must see what they grill get. Ignorant and dark on it. I tell like an overeat when you tell them I care on it. Can't stand it. Boom. Me say me nah go and chill again. Hustlers, big red town, Westmoreland, Bobby, watching anywhere. You say, hustlers, attack. Hustlers making money in the streets. Don't disrespect our officers. I just tell you, big up yourself, Mama. Lick off the set on certain things of the mom. We are working with our hustle. Hey, nigga! Hustlers making money in the streets again. Attack. Touch the road well, fresh clean night and day. When the road is, that's where you feel on the food if you violate. Every hustler in a bus, and we are running one time. I'm tell them, I'm going to sing this. I'm going to tell them, let's go smoke and I drink nothing like that. Every independent person in the muscle. Tell them this stuff. Well, I'm watch out. Oh, you think this one is big, man? Yeah, man. This is good. Breathe. Say them breathe. I'm gonna pick up yourself somewhere in the world. I'm gonna yourself for your things for your world. Say them breathe. Independent people, answer. Now watch out. Wait now, who over there? Yeah, play number one with the girl. You see me? Nigga, this is Amber. This is Amber, seeing the real shine girl, real hustler, real independence. See it? And as we said, we don't disrespect the officers. This is a fair side of the law, which is our permit. See it? You know the thing now. We don't disrespect the officers and we don't disrespect the law, even though the law is on the biggest stage. You hear that?
You see this one go down tonight, people. We're not going to hear more about it. This is do your thing.
Show off the girl them Tell me sexy, feel the thing right. Feel the thing right, crazy deal. And that's something I'm at around teaching this thing. Ready up, number ladies. Hey! Personally, professionally, girls don't be unconditionally. The prettiest girl now I'm a punch on like a woman. Destined what you to live personally. Who believe that I saw the destiny? Step up, nothing so technical. And I got this and this and my destiny. Just go fast, go the all the time. Opportunity, secondary, coming time. When we step in on the first one, we go for tossing. What's that Instagram, Twitter, Father, Mr. Watch out for this man, I'm a new bully.